In this exercise we're going to take a look at how we can create roof lights into a roof lights which we can not only place on the roof but also see through our roof there to see the room below. So how do we get from our basic model here to the finished result? Well, let's take a look at what we have. Just selecting the object and looking at object properties, we see that we have an AEC roof. Now an AEC roof we can't break into, but what we can do, we can go to our AEC tools and we can use the roof convert to roof slabs. So we'll erase the original roof. Now that gives us roof slabs which we can break into using the tools into floor, stairs and railings. So we have the ability to break in holes. We can do that the same thing as we would do with floors, for instance. So how do we create a roof light in the first instance? Well, if we create a window, and we'll do that by creating it within a wall and then try to locate it, we'll end up with the roof light sticking out at 90 degrees to the roof if we save it as a symbol. So how can we create it so that it will be in line when we save it and bring it back? Well, using 3D tools, UCS, we can drop in a UCS vertical X. And now if we go to our AEC tools, choose a wall, so we'll draw a 100 wide wall, and let's just drop it along there. So there we are, there's our wall. We can bring in a window. In this case we're going to do 1200 by 900, so that'll be the size of our roof window, our roof light. So there it is. Now when we save and bring back our window, we don't want the wall with it. So what we can do is we can detach that wall, the window from the wall, allowing us to delete the wall, just leaving the roof light itself. So we'll select the roof light. To save it as a symbol, we right click and say make symbol. Now origin wise I'm going to choose the bottom left, but you could choose to a point between here or wherever you like, such that you get it at the right place within the depth of your roof. So we'll call it 1200 by 900 window. I'll just save that. So there is our window that we're going to place in here. Going back, going to a wireframe view, we'll see that what I've done previously is just drawn some polylines there to locate the positions for our roof lights. So how are we going to project those points onto our roof? Well, if we go to firstly the 3D tools and drop our UCS to world, so our working plane back along the base of the building there, and then using the Caddie construction lines, we'll just drop a construction line Z on each of the points to locate there, and then we'll put our UCS to the line of the roof. In this case it's probably easier to see in a shaded view, so going back to our 3D tools now, UCS, we'll choose 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. So there's our UCS. We can simply locate using the symbol, so there's our window there, OK to that. Then using the 3D snap menu tools, now if you don't have these already, you're not familiar with them, if you right click over your grey bar at the top, you'll see you have 3D snap menu, you can turn them on and off. You'll find more about these in the help within the Caddie help files. We're going to use this one, which will project a line onto the UCS. So simply choosing the snap mode, picking, I can pick anywhere on the construction line, yes, it will project them there. We can then remove those, break out for our window. So here we'll need to just relocate the UCS. We'll pick and drop it onto the bottom there of the roof, otherwise our hole will be displaced from the actual roof light itself. Using a simple polyline now, so going back to Caddie, lines, using a polygon, polyline rectangle, we'll change our flag to 2D so that when we draw our rectangle, it actually projects it straight onto the UCS there. We can then go to our AEC tools, floor, stairs and railings, punch a hole in the roof from a pylon, and there you can see we're actually punching the holes straight through. Just to finish off, what we'll do is we'll put our UCS back to world, and there is our finished roof light.